Hello and welcome once again to Ideas by Som. COVID. My dear friends, everywhere the one thing that is buzzing around is COVID 19, and all of us are pretty much concerned about the impacts that it is going to have on the society in general and particularly on school education. So, see, various videos and various blogs are coming where teachers are expressing their concerns, and online education is also one tool that the teaching community is taking up in their hands and helping students worldwide so that they can get connected with the studies in a routine. So now, what are the thoughts of the parents in this particular scenario, which is very crucial time, and parents are very much concerned about the education of their children also. And what are their views? What are their feedbacks? And what are their suggestions? So, Ideas by Som has made an attempt to bring in some parents who are pretty much concerned and. Fortunately, I've got many responses from the parents when I inquired from them. So I'll be bringing one or two small and short videos in which I'll try to highlight the views or the concerns of the parents. In this first video, I'm having alongside me Mrs. Tanya Bhateja from city Malot, who's the mother of an 8 years old child, and she's pretty much concerned about the education of her child. So let us have an introduction. Welcome, Mrs. Tanya Bhateja, to the show. My first question to you is, what are your concerns and what are your worries as far as the education of your child is concerned?
Hi, this is Ideas by Som and myself Tanya Bhateja from Malot. My son is 8 years old and is studying in 3rd standard. Nowadays, as we all are very well aware about the current global situation due to COVID-19, widespread measures are being taken to tackle this pandemic, which has led to the shutdown of the schools. While all the schools are trying their very best to facilitate the students with their online classes, I am really worried. As a parent, I am worried while the academic level of my child will be maintained. Will he be able to complete the syllabus on time? While the students go to school, they are given the test, so many activities are there to participate, but now while they are sitting at home, there is nothing to do. They just have to watch the videos, listen to the teachers, and that's okay. Now they are so careless, so fearless, that they just want to play, they just want to lie down at home only. Moreover, he misses the cherished environment of school. He misses his fellows. That peer-to-peer connection, that environment is really missed by the students. Schools are must for the students. I hope that they will be started again soon after the situation becomes normal, and my thoughts and my fears will disappear very soon. Amen. Thank you.
Very well said. I agree with you on this particular concern of you. So now my next question is, how would you as a mother, how would you cope up with the situation prevailing due to the coronavirus or COVID-19, and how would you cope up with this particular situation with reference to the education of your child, because you are a learned parent, you are an educated parent, and you can also do so many things at home. So what is your take on this situation?
This is really a matter of worry, how to cope up with the education of our children in the situation arising due to COVID-19. As all the schools are shut down due to the lockdown and the dangerous situation of corona, all the schools are trying their best to provide education through online classes to their students. But I don't think that's enough. Though we cannot send our students to the schools or tuitions to study, we ourselves have to make them study at home. But the children, the students don't take it serious. Without any physical classroom teaching, they are not interested in studying at all. They just watch the videos for fun and go away and move away. We have to make them aware about the importance of study, importance of online classes. It's really a challenging task to make them study at home, make them sit at home with their books to study. But as parents, it's our duty to do whatever we can do. We have to make them believe, make them understand the situation. We have to tell them to study at home only. We should help them understand their problems, understand their chapters. Because now, because of COVID-19, there is no option but to adapt and utilize the online education system. Thank you.
All right, that's a pretty nice answer. My next question is, what would you like to suggest to schools? Because parents also have their say in the functioning of the school. So what would you like to suggest to the schools post COVID-19 situation, when the schools are in the process of reopening, the schools are in the process of welcoming the children? So as a parent, what were your concerns? What are your concerns, and what would you like to suggest to the schools?
Now, coming to the situation when the schools will reopen after getting rid of this pandemic COVID-19, students will really find it difficult to come back to their previous schedule and coming back to their studies on regular basis. Moreover, they'll have to be more conscious, more serious, more careful about their health also. They will have to come up out of their regular habits. They will have to avoid handshaking. They'll have to avoid sharing the food. While we teach them sharing is caring, but they will have to avoid it now. Moreover, now coming to their studies, they will have to be more efficient and more energetic to take up the lessons from their teachers, and they should be ready to learn new things now.
So thank you very much, Mrs. Tanya, and I'm sure that schools would take into considerations whatever suggestions you have made. And once again, thank you very much for coming to the show.